All those birds. Look at them all. What the heck are they doing? Getting grit? There they go.
Huh? Right in here. Put one right over there. I don't care. Somewhere they can see it. Abby, here. Fetch it up. Good girl. Go on back. Here. Stay. Here. Yeah, those are worth a try. Out front. Whoa. Fetch it up. Good girl. Here. Here. Good girl. Give. Come here. Give. Good girl. Go on. Fetch it up. Dead bird. Go on back. Fetch. Go on. Fetch it up. Abby. Fetch. There's another bird there. Back. Go on back. Good girl. Dead bird. Good girl. Right there, Dad. Right there. Good girl. Fetch it up. Good girl. Easy. Yeah. Easy. Is that yours? Give. Huh? Here you go. All right. Way up there, Kelly. Stay. No bird, no bird. What'd you say, you're getting peppered? Yeah. They came raining down around you? Yeah. You've been shot? Is that what you're saying? Here they come. You shot yourself almost, huh? Man, I peppered that one. He fluttered. The one I was aiming at, too. Those are pretty high, man. I want me some pigeon. Ugh. Stay. Get him, Kelly. Here, is that yours? That was sad. No wonder. Got a big hole in the bottom of my pocket. No wonder stuff comes flying out. No. No. Behind you. Fetch it up. Good girl, dead. Good girl, here. Good girl. Come here, good girl. Give. 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 Good girl. Here you go. Pigeons, huh? Ooh, got it. Stay. Oh, fuck. Fetch it up. He got up and looked at me. I had to shoot him again. Good girl. Right there, dead. Good girl. Dead. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Right there. Good girl. Here. 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 Dead bird. Right there. Good girl. Dead. Good girl. Here. Good girl. Pigeon. Good girl. Give. Give. All right. We got some squab. Good girl.
Need more bullets?
Yeah.
Really? You out?
I'm out.
Oh, shit. Where's Bird? Find him. Dead bird. Alright, cool. That's a nice one, man.
Yeah.
No wonder it fought so much. You break your line?
No, I haven't yet.
Oh, how'd she do that?
She came over and jumped in and got tangled up.
That was a nice fish, man.